neighborhood. Their old house could barely protect them from the cold of winter or the heat of summer. Every morning, he would wake up to the sound of his mother, who tried to hide her sadness behind a tired smile, while his father left early in search of any small job to provide for their daily bread. On many nights, he went to bed hungry, not because he didn't want food, but because there simply was none. And he would pretend to be full in front of his younger siblings so they could eat whatever little was left. Despite his young age, he started working in the streets, sometimes carrying heavy boxes, sometimes washing cars, and other times selling tissues under the burning sun. His small feet would quickly get tired, but his heart carried a dream much bigger than all the exhaustion. While other children his age played freely, he was chasing a living. And people would often laugh at him whenever he said, "One day I will become rich and change my family's life." They laughed at him and told him, "People like you were born to stay poor." But those words did not break him, they made him stronger. He believed that success does not come from luck, but from patience and unstoppable determination. At night, after a long, exhausting day, he would return to his modest home and sit under a dim light, reading and learning from any book he could find. He did not have a modern phone or a computer, but he had something far more important: willpower. Years passed. The boy grew up, and so did his dreams. He started a very small project with money he had saved over years of hard work. At first he failed. He was betrayed and he faced repeated failures. Even more people came back to mock him again. But this time he didn't care about what anyone said. He knew the path to success is filled with pain. He kept working silently, waking up before everyone and sleeping after everyone, until one day everything changed. His project succeeded beyond anyone's expectations. He built a large company, then more companies, and owned luxury cars and a house he once only saw on television. One day, he returned to the same neighborhood where people once mocked him. But this time, he was no longer the poor child. He returned as a successful man, carrying all the memories of hunger, struggle, and tears. He built a new home for his parents, helped the poor, and never forgot the nights he went to bed hungry. When a journalist asked him, "What is the secret of your success?" he smiled and said, "I was poor in money but rich in hope.